guys? Finna get ready to head out to do a quick car wash. I'm gonna go to the one of them self-serve car washes, do a little quick winter wash, get some of this this salt and dirt off. You guys can know how it is living in the Midwest. That salt can be something else. So I'll show you guys how I wash it in the wintertime, a quick wash. I'm gonna go vacuum it out first, then I'm gonna stop by the Dollar Tree and grab a bottle of Awesome for $1. And that's gonna spray on the tires. You ain't really gotta do a lot of scrubbing, just spray that on and spray it off. And that stuff is only $1. Can't beat it. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn it back on when I get up here at to the vacuum cleaner. What's going on, guys? I know it's noisy. Just got up here to the car wash. As you can see, I don't really got too much to vacuum out. I pretty much keep the inside of my vehicle clean, but I'm finna get to it. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn this off because it's real noisy, and then I'm gonna cut it back on when I get to the dollar store. All right, guys, I'm done vacuuming it out. Ain't had too much to do, but finna get ready to head up here to the dollar store. I didn't think it was gonna be that packed up here, but it is. So let me head up to Dollar Tree so I can get this Awesome. Then I'm gonna run by the car wash and show you guys how to do a quick winter wash and spray it off. All right. What's going on, guys? Finna get ready and go in this dollar store. Excuse me. Yeah, it's just what I need right here. That's all you need right here. You don't need all those expensive cleaners. Just get you a bottle of this for $1 and you all good. I'm gonna pick up a few more things while I'm in here too, but really mainly all I needed. Had to get some dishwashing liquid too. But let me go ahead and check out real quick. Alright. People be looking at me like I'm crazy because it's summertime and I got on shorts with boots. That's how I dress all year round. I wear no jackets or no pants. Or sometimes I don't get cold. Call me Eskimo Joe. Alright guys, I'm up at the car wash. I'm up in the stall. And what I usually do, I usually leave my heat running with the defrost and stuff on, because when I be washing my car with the car off and I get back in, I have to wait because the windows be all foggy from the, condensation from the hot air on the inside, the cold air on the outside. But I always bring an extra set of keys with me just in case it get locked in the car. I didn't have no change, so I had to go to this little over here and get changed. They have a machine over here that you can put your dollars in and give you quarters. Let me get out and go get that. Then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get started. All right. All right, guys. I got the quarters. Let me get my Awesome out. Yes, sir. Only $1, and this stuff is a blessing. A blessing and $1. I mean, a blessing and a bottle for $1. So, what I usually do when I get in the stall, I usually make sure that the what's the name is working before you put your money in. Sometimes that thing can be frozen. You put your money in, and it just lost. It'll just count down. But what I do before I pre-soak it, I like to just spray the tires down. You don't want to wet it first. A lot of people, I mean, in the summertime, if it's warmer, then you want to wet it and then spray the awesome on. But you don't want to wet it now, and that stuff freeze up. And then you spray the awesome on, and then now it's just on top of the ice. So just want to turn that to spray. And then you just want to make sure it's on. Awesome. Right. And look at that, when you spray this stuff on, you can instantly see that stuff just start running off. And this stuff is only $1. And this is my winter wash. Because I don't too much care about these wheels anyway, because this stuff is always wheels been damaged already. But you can see how that dirt running down. That is all the brake dust and then dust. Instant. You know, in the summertime, you can take a brush or a sponge to scrub this. But in the wintertime, I don't too much care because it's just a winter wash. I don't even dry it off. It's just mainly get that salt dust on it. But you can see how all that stuff just instantly start coming off. And you can't beat that for $1. All these other cleaners out there, I mean, some of them good, don't get me wrong, but dollar for dollar, can't even say dollar for dollar, because cent from cent, because this stuff is only $1. You know? What I do, spray this stuff on there. Showing you guys how to do my little quick winter wash. Simple. Plus, this is my little work vehicle anyway. And I love these little quick washes. Because get the dirt off. And you can't beat that for $1. You got to do all that scrubbing. Look at that. That dirt is running off instantly. Just spray it, ain't even been sitting. You don't really have to let this stuff sit. Just spray it on. Get it to Walmart or Dollar Tree. I always get mine from Dollar Tree. And you can dilute this too. And add water. They usually have a jug for $1 too. You just buy your spray bottle. And you can dilute it with water. I like to use mine full strength. That's what works best for me. Look at that. Look at that dirt. And that brake does this. Running off. I mean, of course, you probably still have a little dirt left, but it's not going to be much. I mean, look what I'm doing. Look how this stuff caked up on there. I haven't been washing in weeks, and I'm not scrubbing. If I had a sponge or some other brush, of course, the stuff would be spick and span clean, but can't beat this, man. Quick winter wash. You know? And after I spray it, I'm gonna go soak it down with the soak and let it soak for a couple minutes, 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna just spray it off with the water. That's simple. All right. See that? How dusty and dirty it is. That dirt, all that dirt running off. All that freaking dirt. There. Alright guys, now you see how I just sprayed it down with the soap. I'm gonna let it soak, and then I'm gonna rinse it down. You see how clean the car is? And I ain't even rinsed it off yet. See how clean those wheels is? And all I did was sprayed it down with the awesome, no scrubbing, no nothing. So look at that. That's my quick winter wash. So really, I don't really got to spray it down, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. And that's it, guys. So if you're trying to get your car clean for the winter, you don't feel like doing all that scrubbing and stuff like that, and it's too cold, do that little quick wash. Get your bottle awesome from the Dollar Tree. You know, spray it on there, pre-soak it down first with soap, and then you can just go back over and spray it off, and you done, guys. And that's it. That's it. Clean winter wash. And that's just enough to get all that soap, that salt and dirt and stuff off of there. And I ain't worried about drying it off. I mean, you can dry it off if you want, but I'm not gonna worry about all that. See that? Nice and clean. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out. Perfect. Perfect.